Hi there. So, my name is Al, and we're going to talk about Unity's round trip feature. And what is round trip? So, round trip was Unity and Autodesk, and they kind of joined forces to make the workflow much easier to get things from Unity to Maya and back again, and as many times as you need to, without the hassle of importing and exporting and then re-importing. So, super cool. Now, this came out about a year and a half ago, late 2017. They announced this. So I haven't used it, but our project that we're working on now is currently Unity 2019. There is a problem with that, and I'll show you why here in a second. But basically, we're going to watch this video. I'm sure the quality is not great. You are going to gray box inside of Unity, and all that means is just kind of block out your level, your scene, whatever you want. And here they had that gray box where they want their ship. And then you export that to Maya, bring in that box, and then they're going to replace that box with actual artwork that they're going to have in their game. Then they changed all the textures. They're going to export that, send it to Unity, and bloop, automatically it just populates. So the problem that I found was if you were in 2019, convert to linked prefab instance is one of those things that is different in 2019. You will not find that. You cannot find that in 2019 because they've changed it. So we are going to show you how to do that. And when I say we, I mean you and me together. Together we will show you how. So first step is in Unity 2019. You need to make sure that the FBX exporter is loaded. So let's go to Window, down to Package Manager. And from here, you can pick all packages and then click Show Preview Packages as well. And here's the FBX exporter. So you'll click that, install the most recent version, and then you're good to go. To see if it has worked and it is installed, right-click here in your hierarchy, and you can see Export to FBX. Next step is, I will be showing you how to do this in Maya. You should be able to do this in 3ds Max as well, but I use Maya. So go to Edit inside of Unity, down to Project Settings, and find FBX Export. From here, you're going to pick the application you want to use. If you have Max installed on your computer, this should be here as well, and then it's going to open that program up and install a plugin. So my Mac said, whoa, there's a firewall warning. I had to allow Unity to do this. And you'll click this button, Install Unity Integration. So in Maya, what that does, it's going to open up Maya. It will then install this Unity tab. Before there was Send to Unity, but now we have this new feature where I can import and export. So let's hop back into Unity and just quickly design a level. So I'm going to use Pro Builder really quick. Let's see, where am I? All right. Just to design a little level. We edited geometry that we already had. We're also going to add some geometry. Also keep in mind this is the exact location in my scene in Unity, which is super helpful. So we are just going to add these little, let's see here, little cubes just to kind of say, yep, we are adding some detail, some different points of interest around our scene. Nothing too fancy. Okay, that is good enough. Now, what's important is going to select your geometry. So I edited this. So I'm going to go to Edit, Delete by Type, History. I'm also going to do that to the things that I add to the scene. You don't really have to, since I didn't do any modeling on these. It's good practice just to delete your history. Next step, grab the new shapes, the new geometry that I've added, which are these cubes, and then I can middle mouse click and drag. We have level Unity export set. This is important. So I have added those to this. And now I'm going to grab this top portion of the hierarchy, hold down Shift, and grab all of it. And then I can go to File, Unity, and Export. Let's hop back into Unity. Bam. Instantly, all my changes were added to the scene, which is absolutely incredible. Like I said before, this workflow just speeds it up entirely. If I wanted to do the same thing, for one, I couldn't have started in Unity and got it to Maya. So this is super nice already. And then if I made changes in Maya, I would need to, before, go to File, Export, pick where it's going, send it out. And then I could say, yeah, let's go to right click, import, new asset, bring in that asset, place it where it needs to go. So this is just insanely helpful. Now it gets even better than this. You can actually, I haven't tried it yet, so maybe the next video, you can have your game, record your game footage in Unity. So let's say you got a character running and then jumping over a car. So you have your controller, you run your character forward, jump over the car, and you're recording this. And then you can take that animation recording, send it to Maya, and then fix the animation for a cutscene. So super powerful. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.